Hi guys, Craig here from Out There Touring. If you watched Sunday's video, you'll see that I did some underbody protection on the Hilux. The guys at Cost Effective Maintenance have also sent me a few extra bottles of chassis guard. So it's an easy process to apply it. I'll drop some footage now of last week's video. So that's how easy it is to apply the chassis guard. It comes with a spray nozzle as well. 1 litre bottle will do your whole car. I still had a little bit left over, so there's plenty in here, and I'm really happy with the results of it already. So for your chance to win a 1 litre bottle, all you have to do is follow me on Facebook and follow Cost Effective Maintenance as well, and tag 2 friends. I'll get a list of everybody and then the winner will be drawn from there. I'll announce the winner on Wednesday the 12th of November. So that gives you about a week and a half to follow me on Facebook, also follow Cost Effective Maintenance and tag 2 friends. As I said, I'll get the list of names and I'll announce it on Facebook on Wednesday the 12th of November. Anyway guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Cheers guys.